Well, they need another guy. Or this guy needs another guy. I wonder if the Saucy Dinosaur is going to join them. Hey, Saucy Dinosaur. Chase, you have to guard Saucy Dinosaur.
What's he?
I don't know.
I'm scrolling.
88-6-3. Offensive-minded point. Crafty offensive-minded.
He's a 88-6-3 crafty offensive-minded point.
I just said that. Watch my introduction, Chase.
He wears camel pants and a back with blue hat like a faggot. Oh, man. Oh.
Dude, this guy's fucking Matrix.
Facing the wrong way. He's gonna have bad defense because, he doesn't even know how to face the right way.
Look at my dance, Chase. You're gonna love it.
Let me guess, you weren't expecting that elbow and you got hit right in the nose.
No, I was expecting it. And I matrixed it, dude.
No, he matrixed it. He was actually expecting it. Or looking for it, at least. Sorry, I'm fixing, like, a pillow thing. Get it!
Yay. I didn't have to get it. Bitch. You almost ooped that. He fell over. Chase. Oh my god. Oh, we're so lucky this guy's shittier than us. Holy shit, how'd you make that, Jeff?
Jeff? Same way you made it. I shot it and put it in the hole.
That's what she said. That's kind of an F way up to have sex. You shoot it and then you put it in the hole. That's kind of rape. Because she might have killed the guy when she shot it. Oh, dude! That would have been so hard!
That would have been so badass.
Oh my god.
That would have been so cool.
I was so high in the air!
That would have been so cool.
Did you see how high I was in the air?
This is why Kyle was telling you to get alley-oop finish. Don't do it, don't, because they
Too bad.
might not get the ball back. Oh, man, dude, I almost...
Oh, Chase, you know what?
I'm not gonna pass to you. You're just gonna take one.
I'm not. I lied.
Oh! Give me that. Oh!
Oh, Jesus. You were scared there, too. Hey, you want to see my new dance?
My guy always stops in the middle of that dance.
Fuck them. I didn't want to go to heaven anyway.
Do you know what my friend Joey calls, like, dwarves and midgets?
What?
Itty bitties.
That's so fucked up.